Da 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 knock, baby. Danang, Việt Nam. Going all around Danang, checking out Danang. Come on, let's see Danang. Da 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 knock, baby. Dang 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 Danang, baby. Dang no dang Danang. Dang dang oh da 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 Danang, baby. Danang. Danang of Vietnam. Oh, Vietnam. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Vietnam. Danang, Vietnam. Do you know where you are? You're in Danang, baby. Danang, Vietnam. That's where you going all around Danang, checking out Danang. Come on, let's see Danang. Da 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 da, baby. Dang 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 Danang, baby. Dang oh dang Danang. Dang dang oh da 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 Danang, baby. Danang.
So we're in Vietnam. There's some pretty interesting places. That little place like All Coffee, Anchor Steakhouse. There's interesting streets that go right down to the waterfront. And then right here is a mall. We're about 1 block in from the riverfront. This is kind of the downtown. Marriott Hotel is right there as well. There's some Novotel, so it looks like some nice hotels are down this way. But there's a lot of interesting things down here that they're building, including the spa. And I think we're kind of there's actually people way up on the rooftop too. So I'm going to be walking down this way and I will show you what it looks like. Let me put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we're in Danang, Vietnam, up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. So that's the location in Vietnam, and we're going to be exploring all these different streets, and this particular street is going to be there. Let's get right into it as if you're there yourself. Okay, so that's All Coffee, and then you can see a rooftop up there. And then we're also going to just walk down a little bit. And right down there is the riverfront. So this goes right through, and then the downtown is all the way along. So we're kind of in this area where there's it feels like there's a lot of bars and stuff like that. This looks like that might be the top floor one. Nice windows. Lots of Korean writing. I think there's a lot of Korean people here as well. Okay. Anger what? Anger beer, I mean. Anger boutique and restaurants. Let's see what they got here. Oh, okay. So a little bit of a bar. Hello. Okay, so we're gonna walk along. Let's see. Got lots of nice, good street food. One of the great things about Vietnam, here's another bar, Korean barbecue. There's a lounge. Oh, that's like spa, maybe. Foot massages. A lot of Korean food. So there's another Korean food there. Nahang. with Korean writing, but Vietnamese name. Massage in Korean. Massage. Massage is the Korean way to say massage. Check out these beautiful places too. Okay. People are coming around the side here. Here's this is kind of interesting. There's a nice little temple right in here too. Let's just see what this is real quick. Kind of giving a little bit of an idea of some of the streets in Danang in this downtown area. So we're away from the beaches. That looks like a beautiful. Really beautiful. Okay. Oh, she has a traditional dress. Here's a corner coffee shop. And a little alley as well. Let's see. It's also written in Korean too. Kabang. Something kabang. I didn't read it quick enough. I read Korean very slowly. Banh mi. So those are amazing. And coconut coffee. Wow. Yeah, we kind of have. I've been seeing Korean everywhere. So there's more Korean here too. Like a clothing store. Let's see. Hello. And this is okay, foot massage. Okay, thank you. Nails, foot massage. She was laughing when that's one thing I like about Vietnamese is they have a sense of humor. I've been coming to Vietnam off and on since the year 2000, so it's been about 25 years. And I always kind of remember that compared to Northeast Asia. Like there's kind of a sense of humor, so like this, she was kind of laughing when I came by and said hello. And I just had the camera and such. Okay, so we're gonna be, this is a little market right here. I still don't see the name of our street. That one has the go light, but we're gonna go down to this little market right in this corner here. And then down that way is the waterfront. I don't see the street names anywhere. More Korean writing everywhere, right? Okay, let's, I guess we can go now. Looking for street signs. Looking for a street sign name. That might be an indicator of the street name. Oh, okay, so this looks like, I think it's a Korean market in here. So I don't know if I can bring in a camera or not, but we'll just walk in. A lot of security. Okay, let's go in and see. So I think it's called the Han Market, I think it's called. Let's got Chinese and Korean. Let's get away from the music here. Let's see what else we got in here. Okay. Oh, she even says annyeonghaseyo to the customers. Let's see, got Chinese writing too though. There's Chinese writing and Korean. Welcome to Han Market. Let's go right into the middle here. We'll get an idea. Okay, maybe we won't go into the middle. Let's go right back out into our street. A little bit crazy here. And so I'm gonna walk back out. I heard more Korean. Somebody was okay. Some tourists. So yeah, this is the Han Market, and I think the name of the street, we're still looking for the name. I haven't identified it yet. But we're in the downtown area, and we just briefly walked into the Han Market, and we walked back out. If you're not familiar with my channel, I usually try to give an idea what the streets look like. So this street is probably quite long, so I'll just capture a snippet of it. Flowers. Okay. That goes down to the riverfront again. And we are going to try to go across the street. Good luck in Vietnam. Okay. I think they're just selling, I don't know. Oh, that might be a change money place. Yeah, I think it's change money, so I'll keep the camera. I won't film it. That's just like a popular change money place. When I see like long lines like that, sometimes it's because people know the rates are really good. Could be one reason, or another reason is for whatever reason there might not be that many change money places right in this area. I don't know. Here's pharmacy. Yup. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down our Target Street here, give you an idea of downtown Danang, Vietnam. Seeing what it looks like. City of 1.2 million people, as far as I know. More flowers. It's like kind of a tour group here. Okay, so we are gonna keep on walking down. Seems like there's more flower shops. And then this must be our streets, and that must be us right there. And that would be the costume going to the water. So that would probably be the one on my thumbnail. Okay. Lots of motorbikes parked on the sidewalk. A little bit of uneven sidewalks as well. Kind of cool. So we're gonna walk down just a little bit further, probably to there's like a big space down there that's like called Space something. And when we get down there, that'll be the end of our small video here. Sky Dragon Spa Fitness Center. Looks like a hotel. Got a Christmas thing coming up here to the left. We got a matching clothing. Look like tourists because they had the hat on and look like they're on holiday. Wow, look at that. There's a beautiful church over there. I guess we'll be going over there. How could I not? And I better run. Okay. So we are gonna walk into this church. This is on our street. And why not film it? Hello. Hello. Actually, I do need sunglasses, but okay, let's see what this is. Pretty cool. Our video is a little bit longer than I thought. Check out all these beautiful, these homes overlook this little plaza right here. Golf mall. There's an interesting Pilgrims of Hope. That might be a good ending right here, I think. So anyways, that's a little slice of Danang. I'll be putting more up there in the near future, so stay tuned for that. I guess I'll just end the video right there. Perfect. Actually kind of cool. I was gonna end over there, and then I just came out of this and I just thought that view, that building was so beautiful. So what I'm gonna do, I just bought some sunglasses as well. It's really dark. They're really effective. So I'm gonna walk into that space as soon as I can. Let's see if I can get over there or not. And I want to walk right into that, inside that little venue right there. There's no crosswalk, so I can't like just wander across. Let's just see what this is. We might just end it right here. This looks kind of interesting. Looks like there's like haircut, shampoo, spa, like a little alley with all kinds of interesting stuff. I'll have to explore more of that in the coming days. And I think if I kept walking through, I might go all the way down to where the riverfront is at. You can get like the prices. There's a couple of dogs right there. Anyway, I just kind of wanted to end right there. So I guess what we're gonna do. Oh, that's okay. Thank you. Oh, it's like I was just gonna say those massages are like $7, something like that. The prices are 200,000 dong, which is about $7. That's the average stuff that I was seeing. Anyways, doesn't matter. I guess I'll end it right here. This is where I kind of wanted to end it. And actually a little bit earlier, there's all these places on the corner you can eat. So I ate one of these. Actually, I ate at that one over there earlier, over on that side. And then the riverfront's down that way. Anyways, this is the street that we walked on. This was where I was gonna just end this spot, but it keeps going down if I wanted to keep going. And then down that way is the waterfront. So let me just walk like this. And you can see the waterfront down that way. So that's the river in that direction. Okay. Nice corner. It'll look nice in the evening, but that was ours.